spray this in your house and you will never see spiders again, or cockroaches. Theoretically, insects are arthropods that have specialized limbs and a body divided into parts, with exoskeleton cover, but without developing a shell as such. In the same way, they have antennas, several legs and in some cases wings. They are mostly small, except for beetles that are the largest. The species of insects, in addition to having many varieties, is incredibly abundant. Some studies say that for every human being on Earth, there are approximately 200 million insects. Some feed on plants, others on meat or carrion. They are said to play a very important role in nature, because they feed on other species, preventing them from becoming large pests. Similarly, it is claimed that insects and their like are responsible for decomposing and eliminating a significant percentage of organic matter, being also the main pollinators of plants of ecological and economic importance. Now, all the above is very nice, but our attitude changes radically when we run into a spider, a bed bug or, worse, a cockroach in any corner of our house. Its unpleasant appearance usually generates screams and throws of shoes in the majority of the people. As much as we respect nature, we do not want a spider to be close to our family, much less a cockroach picking our food. That is why today we bring you a fantastic natural insect repellent. It is 100% free of the toxins that are usually contained in commercial insecticides, which, in one way or another, always end up affecting our health. In addition, this option that we propose will leave your home with a pleasant and refreshing aroma. It is nothing less than fresh mint, which is a type of aromatic herb of great diffusion, appreciated for its characteristic refreshing fragrance. It is often used in gastronomy, without leaving aside its therapeutic properties. How to use it? It's very simple. Prepare a well-concentrated infusion of mint leaves. Put it in a spray bottle and spray each corner of your home with this solution. The corners of the doors and the edges of the windows. This will be unpleasant for insects, keep them away from your home and, in turn, will generate a fresh and pleasant aroma. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.